If you're looking for a dependable black toner cartridge that delivers professional quality prints, the Brother Genuine TN227 Twin Pack is worth a look. Designed for high-yield performance, this 2-pack offers twice the pages compared to single cartridges, so you get more value and fewer replacements. Each TN227 cartridge prints up to 3,000 pages, meaning this twin pack delivers up to 6,000 pages in total. That's a significant boost for busy offices or home users who rely on sharp, clear black and white documents without interruptions. Less frequent ordering means less hassle, saving you time and effort. Brother engineers these cartridges to work seamlessly with your compatible Brother printer models, including HLL3210CW, HLL3230CDW, HLL3270CDW, HLL3290CDW, and several MFC series printers. This ensures every page comes out crisp, sharp, and professional looking, perfect for presentations, reports, and everyday printing needs. What sets Brother Genuine Toner apart is consistent quality. Unlike off-brand alternatives that can cause streaks or poor print results, these cartridges maintain steady performance from first page to last. One satisfied user from the United States confirms they work perfectly and deliver consistent results every time. Brother also supports an environmentally responsible approach with its cartridge collection and recycling program. When you're done, you can easily return used cartridges for proper disposal, reducing waste and supporting sustainability. If you want reliable, high-yield black toner that keeps your Brother printer running smoothly and your documents looking sharp, the TN227 Twin Pack offers exactly that. It's designed to meet the demands of both home and office environments without compromise. Try the Brother Genuine TN227 Twin Pack when you're ready to upgrade your printing supplies. With twice the output and proven reliability, it's a smart investment for anyone serious about quality and efficiency. Choosing Brother Genuine Toner means fewer interruptions, professional results, and a commitment to sustainability. For crisp, clear black and white prints that last, this twin pack delivers what matters most.